This is Inventory Pro on Android for electronics and mobile shops. Sign in and run your Gadget store off. Add a new product in seconds. Enter the name, price, and stock. Choose electronics and save to your catalog. At the counter, open POS and tap 5 gadgets into the cart. Charger, cable, earphones, power bank, and earbuds. 1 checkout, invoice saved. Live inventory tracks every phone accessory and gadget. Category electronics, stock on hand, and reorder levels at a glance. Sales reports show today's revenue and what sold. 1 app for your electronics shop billing, stock, and profit.